Toyota just shocked the world again. The 2026 Land Cruiser Mini is here, and it's nothing like you expected. Could this be the ultimate compact off-roader we've all been waiting for? Before we dive deep into every exciting detail, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts.
I just wish he knew.
Starting at the front, the 2026 Land Cruiser Mini makes a bold first impression. It's aggressive, yet sleek, with sharp LED headlights that slice across the front fascia like blades. The grille is smaller compared to its full-size sibling, but still muscular, with a futuristic honeycomb pattern and the Toyota badge standing proudly at the center. The bumper features chunky, rugged cladding and integrated fog lights, hinting that this mini SUV is ready for some serious trail action. And that high approach angle? It screams off-road domination. Move to the side, and the Mini's muscular fenders immediately catch your eye. The wheel arches are heavily sculpted with black cladding, giving it a hardcore off-road look. It rides on large, stylish alloys, possibly 19-inch or 20-inch wheels depending on the trim. Notice the high ground clearance and short overhangs. Toyota clearly designed this with capability in mind. The sharp character lines running across the doors and the slightly rising beltline create a dynamic, athletic stance, even at a standstill. And yes, the rear door handles are positioned traditionally. Easy access without gimmicks. At the back, things get even more futuristic. The full-width LED taillight bar gives it a tech-forward vibe, and the taillight design is sleek and aggressive. The rear bumper is chunky and functional, featuring faux skid plates and aerodynamic diffusers, hinting at both urban sophistication and rugged toughness. Plus, the rear spoiler extends out cleanly for added style and a little aerodynamic efficiency. Everything about the rear screams, "I'm small but mighty!" Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser Mini is rumored to pack a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder or a hybrid powertrain option. Expect horsepower figures to be in the 230 to 260 HP range, providing plenty of punch for city driving and weekend adventures. The transmission will likely be an 8-speed automatic, with Toyota's legendary all-wheel drive system as standard or optional on most trims. And yes, off-road fans rejoice, Toyota is expected to include locking differentials and terrain management systems to make this little beast truly trail-ready. Inside, the Land Cruiser Mini doesn't skimp on luxury or tech. You'll be greeted by a large digital gauge cluster, a floating 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, and premium materials everywhere you touch. Expect soft-touch plastics, optional leather seats, and lots of thoughtful storage spaces. Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. And if you're an audiophile, a premium JBL sound system could be available on the higher trims. Space-wise, it comfortably seats 5 passengers with decent rear legroom for a compact SUV, and the cargo area is surprisingly spacious thanks to smart packaging. Now for the big question: price. While official numbers aren't out yet, experts estimate the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini will start around $32,000, climbing up to $45,000 for fully loaded off-road ready models. It's competitive, especially considering everything it offers: legendary Toyota reliability, impressive capability, and bold futuristic styling. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the compact SUV segment. Bold looks, real off-road capability, high-tech interior, it's a package that few rivals can match. Are you excited to see it hit the trails and streets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
I just wish he knew.